How are we doing, guys? I had to get on a video today. DOT is going through the roof right now, and I've been calling updates in the Telegram channel over here. We actually just all moved our stop loss to 39.10. This is a profit of 18.52%. So I got so much I'm thinking about right now. So I called a move DOT stop loss of the 25% that's remaining in this trade to $39.10. That's a locked-in profit of 18.52%. And yes, guys, you do see it correctly. We won our 59th for 59th trade. We end up winning a couple other trades today. So guys, if you're not in the Telegram channel, I would highly recommend going over there. Let me cover this very fast, and I want to go over this setup. If you want to trade with us, go over to the pricing. It's $49 a month. Come over here to live trades, set up all of your buy limits for any of these coins, obviously including DOT as well. And then you guys will be able to get in here and just follow the trade setups that I'm calling out over on Telegram for exits, profitable exits, just market updates and such like that. It's very simple. Here's all you guys need to do. Watch the video underneath the Bitcoin live trading at the bottom here, and you guys will get access and knowledge about everything. Okay, I want to focus on this and tell you guys what I'm looking at here. So we ended up getting into this trade down here with the buy limit on October 11th for 32.93. We ended up exiting 50% over here for 35.08 because we started moving up here looking for that drop in Bitcoin that we didn't get yet, but we could still be seeing a drop here. I then called another 25% exit in the profit at 37.06, and we are trailing this with a stop loss, and that 25% is currently up 18.52%. This has been a crazy trade for all of us in here. Now, I mention these indicators a lot, and here's why you guys need these, and you need to be paying attention to these and getting these on your charts. What are we about to enter into that I talk to you guys about all the time? We're entering close into the top red zone of the trend exhaustion, and even the well money flow is getting closer to the top section up here. Last time this happened in the market here, we ended up seeing this move right there, and we ended up seeing a very fast crash back down on DOT. The previous time before that, we barely wicked up into the top section here, and we did end up seeing a move down right after that. Previous time before that, we ended up seeing this move up here, and then we ended up seeing the crash back down. Previous time before that, I'm showing you guys consistency on here. This moved up here, and then we saw the very nice crash back down. Previous time before that, it overextended itself, creating a high and another higher high, while the well money flow created a high and a lower high, and this was a signal to us that the market was about to crash, and we entered into that huge bear market cycle back down. Then the previous time before that, we saw this over here where we ended up calling the crash. We saw a massive drop down. You get the point of this video. This right here was called the top, and before we saw a move down right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I can arguably even say this is the 8th time back here where this saw a move back down on DOT as well. 8 times in a row, this indicator is called the drop. So if you guys are in DOT right now, I highly suggest you guys look to take some profit. If you're not following me in the Telegram channel, you're on your own. I am updating you guys with this. So with this being pushed up this high, the well money flow pushing up here as well, could we see this head up a little bit further? Yes, that is possible. So let's take a look at where this could possibly be heading. Let's go to the 1-day time frame here. Taking a look at the all-time high, it is sitting up here at around this, $50 mark, let's just call that. We could be trying to push to the all-time high of $50. Now, taking a look at the trend exhaustion over here, last time we ended up pushing into these top sections was when we got this drop right here, and then we ended up getting this drop right here on the charts, okay? So we are pushing up here, and we did end up already seeing the correlation here with a drop down and then a move back up. The 4-hour time frame is the best place to be watching this, guys. So the reason of this video coming out here is I want you guys just to pay attention to this and make sure you are exiting in here, and then make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits. So here's how you do this. Go over to the pricing. It's $49 a month. Great. Go to live trades and then scroll down here to the second page over here on DOT, Polkadot, and click this right now. Click this and get your buy limit set up. Because the price has moved up so high today, tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to update the buy limits for you guys so we can get into DOT on a possible drop move back down. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price of DOT right now. Okay, you're going to enter a buy limit for each of these lines of 25% of your position. So if you have $4,000, 1,000 at this price, 1,000 at this price, 1,000 at this price, 1,000 at this price. Set it and forget it. Let it hit here, and then once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up in the exchange, and then follow me over here on Telegram. Click this. It will give you a hot link so you guys can join over here. We're now over 1,400 members, and you guys are going to be able to take profits with me when I call those out. I am using the indicators, specifically the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion to call these exits, because this is what has been historically proving to us 8 times in a row that we are looking for a drop back down. So please get those on your charts, because I'm upping the price of the price versus the well money flow. I'm upping the price of the trend exhaustion, and the bundle pack, however, is going to stay the same. So this is the best deal to get all of our indicators. Get them on your charts, guys. Follow along here, because I want you guys to be aware that we could be seeing a drop here soon in DOT. I'm not going to go over too much of the metrics today because I want to keep this video short, but basically looking at the metrics real quick, we are pushing to the excited area. This will most likely push us into the greedy section tomorrow when this updates, so definitely watch for that drop there. Taking a look at this, I want to see tomorrow morning if short trades increase because of this, price action moving up here. That's a huge sign we could see a move back down, because the bears are looking to short DOT. All right, looking at the long for short trade risk, definitely the risk is on the long side. So this is why we are taking money out of the market on our long trades, because short trades are looking more favorable at the moment. Well, institutional smart money, what were they doing? They were accumulating short trades over here, and they made their money, great amount of money, on the move down here. Now that it's moving back up, watch this tomorrow. I believe what you guys are going to start seeing is this metric starting to push back down, and look for shorting in the market to grab some prices at the top here and then make money back on the way down. Okay, support and resistance prices real quick, and then we'll finish this up. Bottom price here, I'm looking at $30. That's the crash point for DOT. Where's $30? It's right down here at the bottom. Before we get there, we need to break through the support line here at about 37, which if this gets hit and the buy limits are set up for tomorrow, make sure you get in there, we'll probably end up getting triggered in right around this area or right down here for the next buy limit, and then we can ride this back up. But I want to just make sure you guys are aware on this video that you definitely want to be looking for exits. Those of you guys who followed our metrics, you guys bought in at lower prices down here. You are literally at this point at the moment up here. So if you want to look for a profitable exit for dollar cost average entries that have been calling out on this metric, you are in great profit right now. And so sorry that went off. Okay. Last but not least, guys, the exit points. This was showing a possible exit because we were looking for a drop back down. That's exactly what we got. That exit point was right here, calling that drop perfectly. Watch tomorrow for a red bar to come out, because this is probably going to tell us that we ended up getting too high and we're looking for a move back down. So there you guys go. If you want to trade with us, I'm honest to God, guys, we literally are 59 for 59 wins. And my goal this month, if you've been watching this YouTube channel, was to hit 60 for 60 by the end of the month. I think we might actually have to move that up to 65 for 65 wins, because I wouldn't doubt if we actually end up getting 60 for 60 trades by the end of today, or even maybe by the end of tomorrow. So there you guys go. Come over and join us. The profits are flowing greatly over here. Simply get your membership, guys, $49 a month. I will be upping this price eventually. I'll grandfather those of you guys in who get it now, so don't worry about that. $49 a month. Set up all of your buy limits. Watch the video in the description that says learn how to trade our strategy, or go to tradeconfident.io. Click on the front page, Bitcoin Live Trading, and watch this video. It tells you how to get in the Telegram channel. It tells you how to get our indicators. It tells you how to set up your buy limits. It literally gives you everything, guys. And if you have questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Congrats, guys. DOT traders, you guys profited 18.52%, as well as some other percentages on the way up here. Great job following me. And make sure you guys watch these indicators here. They're looking for a drop down 8 times in a row. It's called a drop. So I would be expecting to see a pullback here. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description, the membership as well as the indicators, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. Enjoy the profits. Come trade with us.